Chef from Mantiques Network, how are you? Getting ready for the holiday weekend, Thanksgiving. Anyways, what we have is continuing with our cigar nipper collection here. What we have here is another cast iron cigar nipper from a Canadian brand, as you can see. This is kind of cool. It's got 3 different holes. So if you look at the different holes, you would be nipping to your preference. The bigger the hole, the bigger the drag. Also down here you see is an area where you can strike your match. What's really cool about this one is it's also used in a very cool medium for the day, which is a reverse glass, which really makes it rich. So if you are into vintage advertising, cigars, or anything cast iron, this be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.